Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing if you enjoy this video. For today, we're going to cook stir-fried chicken with string beans. This dish is good for 4 persons. The complete list of ingredients and procedures can be seen at the end of the video, so please keep watching! We use the breast fillet part and cut it into smaller pieces. Let's start! We heat the pan in medium heat, then pour the oil. We stir-fry the chicken. Then we add the salt. The amount of salt varies depending on your taste preference, so adjust accordingly. We can start with smaller amount, then add more later on if we still need it. When the chicken is slightly cooked, we add the onion and garlic, then saute. We add the string beans. We stir-fry it together with the chicken. We can add more salt. We cover for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, we add the oyster sauce. And then hot water. Always make it a habit to taste the food that you're cooking so you can check if you still need to add salt or other condiments. We also add Worcestershire sauce. We can experiment by adding sugar or soy sauce. So we cover and simmer for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we add the green finger pepper. Cover and simmer for another 2 minutes. And then we're done! Stir-fried chicken with string beans. Easy, simple, healthy, and delicious. Try it now! Happy eating! Feel free to like, comment, and share. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos!